Managing a project is no simple feat. Project management with SOLIDWORKS Manage, however, enables you to tightly integrate with resources and deliverables throughout your organization. With the 2020 release, it's easier to get started by importing current and upcoming projects, visualize the life of your projects, and plan the capacity of your resources. If you have projects in other tools like Microsoft Project, you can now import them as XML. Start, finish, duration, predecessors, and registered users are automatically recognized, so you can start connecting tasks and deliverables right away. Load charts, PERT charts, and network diagrams are now available so you can visualize your project how you want and communicate your projects in a variety of formats. Often, you may have multiple active projects with common resources. With the new capacity planning in Manage, you can automatically calculate available time from your resources as well as the demand from your project. Holidays and absences may be included as well, so you can easily take control of your operational efforts and costs. Improve the effectiveness of your project management with SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020.